Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple oxygen pump at home. We'll focus on creating a basic aeration device, perfect for a small fish tank or a temporary setup. This isn't for medical use, but it's a fantastic way to ensure your aquatic friends have enough oxygen. It's a fun, practical project using items you likely already have around the house, and it requires no electricity to operate. To get started, you'll need just a few common items. Grab 2 clean plastic bottles, ideally 1 liter or 2 liter sizes. You'll also need about 3 feet of flexible tubing, like the kind used for aquariums. A drill with an 8mm bit is essential for making holes, and a strong waterproof adhesive will ensure tight seals. Finally, a small piece of a balloon or rubber will act as a crucial one-way valve. Now, let's assemble your pump. First, drill an 8mm hole in one bottle cap and another hole near the bottom of your second bottle. Next, insert one end of your tubing through the cap's hole, securing it with adhesive for a tight seal. Then, connect the other end of the tubing into the bottom hole of the second bottle, sealing it well. Finally, create a simple one-way valve using a piece of balloon over the cap's hole. Operating your new air pump is quite straightforward. Fill the top bottle with water, then quickly invert it and place it securely onto the second bottle. As the water flows down, it displaces the air, forcing it through the tubing and into your aquarium or pond. This clever setup provides aeration for about 2 to 3 hours. Remember to refill the top bottle regularly to keep those oxygen bubbles flowing and your aquatic environment healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.